Hello everybody. I need to tell you about something. This is something that I've been doing for quite a few years now, and I think it is time to let the world know about it. It's called chip time. Wait for it. You're gonna love this. When you've already had breakfast, but it's not quite time for lunch, and you just need something to satisfy the munch. Chip time. So chip time happens every day at 10:30 in the morning. I started this when I worked in an office full time a few years ago, and I would have breakfast before work.
I want to eat Oreo sweet lunch bowl. It's the best today lunch. Thanks.
So I would eat breakfast at like 7:30, 8, 7:30 or 8, not 7:38. That's super specific. And then I would get to work, do my thing, start feeling really snacky, check the clock, 10:30. Can't have lunch at 10:30 because then I'll be ready for dinner at 4 o'clock. And I'll still be at work. Can't eat dinner at 4. So I started bringing some chips with me to work, and I would eat some chips at 10:30 every day. Started bringing extra bags of chips because my coworkers got interested, and we would have chip time together. Now I have chip time with my kid. Chip time every day, 10:30. Doesn't matter what kind of chip you have. Doesn't matter how many chips you eat. It's just a little something to have to hold you over until lunch.
Boom!
Chip time.
Yeah.
Yeah.